city of Mumbai, the David Sassoon Library has been kind of an oasis of peace.
It is an important place for students, being Asia's oldest functioning reading room. It is an important site for the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival that happens every year. So to restore this building that is constantly being sought out was a key reason to make this project happen.
The biggest challenge restoring this beautiful old building was to remove the flat concrete slab that had been installed over the reading room way back in the 60s and to put back the original roof profile of the high-pitched roof on trusses. It restores the urban streetscape of Kala Ghoda to exactly what it looked like 100 years ago.
Getting married and moving here decades earlier, the city has adopted me into folds and in many ways made me the person I am today. As an adopted Mumbaikar, I feel it is my duty and privilege to support and preserve the city in any way I possibly can.
This is a unique project which came our way along with the JSW Foundation, where they were working towards restoring this heritage grade 1 structure. What is unique in this project is that this is in the heart of Mumbai. This is helping us preserve the rich culture and heritage of the city.
All our thanks to JSW Foundation, especially Mrs. Jindal, Aban Lamba Narayan Associate, ICICI Bank, and all the members who have supported to be with us, not for this project, but forever. Thank you.